Hello everyone, today we will be making dry fish and shrimp curry. Dry fish 2-inch pieces, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger blended together, 10 to 15 chilies, dry shrimp around this amount, 3 chopped tomatoes, desired amount of coriander, 2 large onions chopped. Pour in the necessary amount of oil with the pot at a high heat. Put in the onions and spread them out evenly. Put in the garlic. Stir well and wait until everything has lightly browned. Put in the ginger and garlic paste, the turmeric powder and chili powder. Mix well. Once the curry is bubbling, add the remaining ingredients and mix well. Put a lid on for 10 minutes. Remove the lid and put in the desired amount of salt. Mix thoroughly and put the lid on for 10 minutes. Again, remove the lid and add in your coriander. Mix thoroughly and put the lid on for 5 minutes. After your dish will be done, enjoy! Please remember to like and subscribe for future recipes. Thank you everyone.